They let me pick. Did I ever tell you that? Choose whichever Spartan I wanted. You know me. I did my research, watched as you became the soldier we needed you to be. Like the others, you were strong and swift and brave. A natural leader. But you had something they didn't. Something no one saw but me. Can you guess? Luck. Was I wrong?
This ain't good.
Damn. How far did he fall?
2 kilometers, easy.
Stay sharp. Gorman?
His armor's locked up. Gel layer could have taken most of the impact. I don't know, Sergeant Major.
Radio for Vital. Heavy lift gear. We're not leaving him here.
Yeah, you're not.
Crazy fool. Why do you always jump? One of these days, you're gonna land on something as stubborn as you are. And I don't do bits and pieces. Where is she, Chief? Where's Cortana?
Don't make a girl a promise if you know you can't keep it.
She stayed behind.
Corporal, make it quick.
Sorry, sir. Your armor's still in partial lockdown. Look up here, sir. Okay. Now down here? Good. Everything checks out, Sergeant Major.
Kick off the training wheels, Corporal. He's good to go. Chief, wait! The Arbiter's with us! Come on now. We've got enough to worry about without you two trying to kill each other.
Were it so easy. We must go. The brutes have our scent.
Then they must love the smell of green. First squad, you're my scouts. Move out, quiet as you can. Bravo team, this is Johnson. We got him. Fall back to the extraction point. Over.
Roger that. Reynolds out.
Sounded close.
Sergeant Major, Phantom inbound.
If we stick together, we're gonna get spotted.
Get out, you whelp! Find them!
Up ahead! Single brute plus backup!
They're under attack! And they're gonna make it!
Fire at them! Marine!
The prophets are liars, but you are fools to do their bidding.
Hey! Phantom inbound! Bring it! Ow! Damn you to hell! Ah! Damn!
The race is not over. Let's keep moving.
Reinforcement!
What will I do without him? Little beagle bird!
These brutes are tough. Grunts ain't no slouches either.
The Grunt's newfound courage is but fear. When we are victorious, all who serve the prophets will be punished.
He's dead? Oh.
Kill him!
Yes, Ethan! I'll get you, you big jerk!
What? More of them? On the run!
There! Get a
Pelicans are en route, Chief, but I can't raise Bravo. If you find them, get them to the extraction point.
Tell me its location.
Kiss my ass.
I will ask for help when I need it.
Don't lose it!
Her chieftain. Phantom. Pinned us down. Killed my men.
That thing is flipped the hell out!
The river! Hurry!
All right. Not all of them are gonna be this easy.
That was intense, but we're starting to get their measure.
Could you sacrifice me to complete your mission? Could you watch me die?
Your vitals just pinged KIA. Chief, Pelicans are at the river. We got company, so hustle up.
Grenades! Blow them to bits!
Hold on. Got a contact. Banshees! Fast and close!
Break off, now!
Come here!
Watch yourself! Launch the thruster, hang on! Get a hold of her! Negative, we're going down!
Well done.
Fight!
Man, this is as good as it's ever gonna get, Marine.
Cut them, Tom!
Keep it up. You might get on my good side.
I'm glad he's on our side.
Ready? Hey, steady!
That'll learn him.
Hey, come out!
No!
There it is! Use your grenade! What? The Banshees will return. Hurry! Back into the jungle.
Chief, can you hear me? My bird's down. Half a click downriver from your position. Come on, you dumb apes! You want breakfast? You gotta catch it!
Beast is using a hammer. A phantom.
Mercy, demon! Whoa! Don't chase him!
See how they bait their trap? I will help you spring it.
I can help! No! I found our boat! Show us mercy! The demon is still alive!
I'll be right there.
He's got it. The demon is murdering us. Hold on. It's him. Here he is! No! Let me go! They're gonna kill us! Please! That guy! Hold!
Battle is over.
This isn't as fun as it looks. Cut the power! We're even, long as we're only counting today. Kilo 2-3, what's your ETA?
Imminent, Sergeant. Find some cover. Got a clear path.
Roger that, Hocus.
Friendly gunship coming in hot. Hands up!
Focus! Phantom!
I see him. Stand by. Going loud. Everyone down. Scratch one Phantom. Scratch two.
Sit your ass down.
IFF confirmed. Contact is Pelican dropship, Kilo 2-3, over.
Roger that. What's the word, Kilo 2-3?
Sierra 117 on board. Request priority clearance. Over.
Deck's yours. Come on down.